My film Meerani just qualified for the Oscars. I think I'm pretty, I've cleansed my aura for the next year. I know और एक कुंडली भाग्य तो नहीं होगा, but I hope that I get projects like that.
Hi Priyanka, looking beautiful.
Thank you so much.
What are the plans for tonight?
Tonight my plans is to celebrate, and the reason is my film Meerani just qualified for the Oscars. But thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Though we did not make it to the shortlisting, which was announced today, but I am very happy and I'm very proud to be a part of such great short film, which was sent by India, and it's a Marathi short film, and it's a story about a mother Anju and her daughter Queen, which is Rani, and the message of the story is Queen is an attitude, and it's not something that comes from the wealth. And I'm so happy, to be part of such brilliantly shot film. Thanks to my production, Carry On Films, Sachin sir, and my director Shivani, and of course my DOP Tarun Ajpal. He's again a very very well known cinematographer. My creative Shubham Singh. Again, this is the second project which went to Oscars. Yeah, I'm very happy about it, and I'm so happy to be part of this premiere, which is. Swipe crime.
Of course.
I think swipe crime is something which is happening every day in our life.
Yeah,
it's
a very relevant topic actually.
Yes.
Tell me more about your film. जब पता चला कि shortlist नहीं हुई है, then how was it? Like you must waiting, no, कि कब नाम आएगा, kind of.
Absolutely not. You know why? Because I was there for all the film festival across. I was at Tasveer, which is in Seattle. I was in India, and I saw it winning through one step to another to third. And when we got the news in October that we are screening at San Francisco and then we are qualified for Oscars, I think I just won there because it's my first short film. And when you see your first project and going to the Academy Awards, I think I have already won there, and I think now it's a time to see what unfolds next. Now is the time to see what's next for me and what all I can bag and cash from this. So I'm really, really excited. I hope we also go for nationals this year, and this is what I'm looking for.
Okay. Tell me one thing you would like to swipe forever from your life.
Oh, swipe forever? Negative things and negative people.
Okay.
That's something No, I think I'm pretty. I've cleansed my aura for the next year. So I think yes, that's one thing I need to avoid. One is negative people and negative energies, and I think everything else works out in our favor.
One thing that you would never swipe from your life.
One thing that I don't want to swipe from my life is my health and good projects.
Great, that's great. Tell me about your other projects. You have done multiple TV shows also.
Yes.
Please tell me about that. And Kundali Bhagya was one of
Yes,
the
yes, one of it. So I started my career by I did a pageant actually, which is Miss Raigad Maharashtra. That helped me to get launched by Sony Marathi. I did Bheti Lage Jiva back in 2017, and that was like a stepping stone in industry for me. I did few non-fictional, fictional shows also. Call it travel shows, call it dating reality shows, but not like that. And then I started my career in Hindi, I would say television industry with Balaji. I'm really grateful to Balaji for giving me such great show, which is Kundali Bhagya, then Molki. Then they casted me for Cartel. Cartel was one of the super hit shows, and when you see yourself on the trailers, which is like running on, and that's something that you feel that you have achieved. And I think Asur 2, Dahan, and slowly, eventually, this short film happened. I'm also part of a Marathi film that is releasing next year. It's a Marathi film. I will talk about it once it's out, but this is what I can tell. I'm really happy, whatever is coming through me, and I'm really excited for all the things that are unfolding for me. But right now, I just want to soak myself with this whole Academy news, so yeah.
Fans are a little upset because Kundali Bhagya is going off air.
I know. I'm sorry, but I'm a big fan of that show even when I was not working. And when I was part of it, everybody told me it's such a big thing to be part of. And now to see that project, going off air is going to be very emotional, right, for all the Indians. And all the Indians, especially staying across the world, because I know everybody in across the States and Canada and whatnot countries, even all the South Asian people, across, they watch this. So when I was screening in Seattle for my tasveer, they were like, we know Kundli Bhagya. They don't even know the language Hindi. But there are some Indonesians I'm talking to, and they're like, we watch this because this is like the great drama. And I was like, Indian television is so, across the world, it has spread so widely that we don't even know the kind of impact that we as an actor are trying to create through this platform. So I hope कि I know और एक कुंडली भाग्य तो नहीं होगा, but I hope that I get projects like that, and I wish everybody from the show all the very best for no matter what they do.
Priyanka, thank you so much and all the very best.
Thank you so much. You look lovely, and thank you so much for this interview. Thank you so much, Zoom.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.